All right, here's a question. Would you sit around and watch ads for hours if it meant making extra cash? I mean, who wouldn't want to get paid for just watching a few ads, right? Well, that's the claim floating around the internet right now. Make $100 an hour just watching ads. But hold on, is it real or is it just another online money-making myth? Today, I'm diving deep to find out if this side hustle can actually pay the bills or if it's a total waste of time. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome back to Make Money with Sean. I'm here today testing out one of the internet's easiest ways to make money, getting paid to watch ads. Now, there are tons of claims that you can make $100 or even $200 an hour with this, but let's be honest. Does it actually work? I tested a bunch of these ad watching platforms to get to the bottom of this, so you don't have to. So, first up, I tried out CoinApply. This one's kind of a mix of everything you can earn by watching videos, doing surveys, and some other tasks. It even pays in Bitcoin, which is kind of cool if you're into that. So I went in with an open mind. I sat back, watched a few videos, clicked through some stuff, and, well, let's just say I wasn't exactly getting rich. After about an hour, I made a few cents. Yep, you heard that right, cents, not dollars. And that's after watching ad after ad. Now sure, it's legit and you can get paid, but don't expect to see any big bucks here. Next, I thought I'd give PTC Share a shot. Here's the premise. Click ads, watch a bit, and get paid. No surveys or quizzes, just ads. So I watched ad after ad, expecting my balance to start adding up. But guess what? After a couple of hours, I'd made not much. And I mean really not much, just a few more cents. After about 2 hours of this, it was pretty clear that the pay here was more like gas money, not a side hustle. But hey, I figured maybe the third time's the charm. So I tried Paidverts, which has been around for a while and is supposed to be one of the more popular ones. They've got a similar setup, watch ads, complete tasks, and make money. But you probably guessed it. After watching a bunch of ads, the earnings were still tiny, so yeah, not exactly the side hustle jackpot I was hoping for. Now here's my honest take after testing all these platforms. It's not a scam, and you can make money. But, is it worth your time? Unless you're looking for a bit of pocket change, it's probably not. Watching ads to make decent money is really just a myth. But hey, don't worry. There actually are better ways to make money online without wasting hours watching ads. Let me share a few. One option you might want to check out is Honeygain or Pawns. These apps let you make money passively by sharing your internet connection, and once they're set up, you don't have to keep clicking anything. You might earn around $20 to $50 a month. Nothing life-changing, but if you've got unlimited internet and don't mind sharing a bit of bandwidth, it's definitely easier than watching ads all day. Another idea, one I think is actually worth the time, is freelancing. I know, freelancing takes actual work and skills, but here's the thing. There are so many people out there willing to pay for small tasks that you might not even realize you could get paid for. If you can write, design, or even help with virtual assistant work, there are opportunities on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You're getting paid directly for your skills and time, and there's no clicking or endless ad watching involved. And if you're creative, consider making digital products. This one's huge, especially if you can make templates, planners, or even artwork. You can sell these on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. Sure, there's some upfront work, but once it's set up, you can keep selling and earning without doing extra work each time. So, let's break it down. Can you make money watching ads? Sure, but it's going to be pocket change, not a full paycheck. If you're looking for a real side hustle, think about freelancing, creating something to sell, or using passive income apps instead. Alright, that's all I've got for today. Thanks for sticking around. If you've tried any of these platforms or have your own tips, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And don't forget to subscribe to Make Money with Sean for more real tips on how to actually make money online. I'll see you in the next one.